Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling airplane mode on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the side button to open the control panel. Scroll down and tap on the plane icon. When the button is orange, airplane mode is switched on, and when it is black, it is switched off. On the watch screen, you can see a plane icon at the top when airplane mode is on. You can also get to the airplane mode settings from the Settings app. To do this, tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and tap on Airplane mode. Then again tap the toggle to the right of airplane mode to turn it on and off. When the toggle is green, airplane mode is switched on, and when grey, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.